Boys and girls, have you ever wondered what are the conditions for a rainforest to exist? How about where are the largest rainforests located in the world? I would like to show you this video that will answer these questions and more. Let's watch it.
Rainforests are not seen in your backyard and maybe not even in the country where you live. Certain conditions need to be met in order for a rainforest to exist. First of all, there must be a warm climate. Many of the world's tropical rainforest regions are located on or around the equator, or the tropics. In fact, many countries have rainforests. The countries with the largest amount of rainforests are Brazil, Congo, Indonesia, Peru, Bolivia, Angola, Venezuela, Papua New Guinea, Mexico, and India. In a tropical rainforest, it rains nearly every day, and they get about 80 inches of rain a year. These rainforests have an average temperature of about 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius. Rainforests cover about 6 to 7% of the Earth's surface and contain more than half of the world's population of plants and animals. Most of these plants and animals we will never see or even hear about because of their small size, inability to live or exist in another region, and because many are close to extinction, which means the disappearance of a species. The largest rainforest on planet Earth is located along the Amazon River basin in the continent of South America. The Amazon is one of the longest rivers in the world and is never crossed by a bridge. A rainforest could not exist in another part of the world, such as the desert, because of the lack of rainfall. And it would never survive in the Arctic regions because it is simply too cold.
That was great information. Did you learn something new? I know I did. I learned the reason why we don't have rainforests in our backyards. probably already know this. A rainforest has 4 layers: the emergent layer, the canopy layer, the understory layer, and the forest floor layer.
There are 4 very distinct layers of trees within the rainforest. These layers can be identified as the emergent layer, the canopy layer, the understory, and the forest floor. The emergent layer contains very large trees called emergents, which grow above the general canopy, reaching heights of 100 to 200 feet tall. They need to be able to withstand the hot temperatures and strong winds in some areas. Eagles, butterflies, bats, and certain monkeys can be found in this layer. The canopy layer contains the majority of the trees, typically between 60 and 130 feet tall. The largest amounts of plants and animals can be found in the canopy layer. The canopy, by some estimates, is home to 50% of all plant species, suggesting that perhaps half of all life on Earth could be found there. The understory layer lies between the canopy layer and the forest floor. The understory is home to a number of birds, snakes, and lizards, as well as predators such as jaguars, boa constrictors, and leopards. Insect life is also very abundant. Only about 5% of the sunlight shining on the rainforest reaches the understory. The forest floor is the bottommost layer of the rainforest. It receives only 2% of sunlight. Only plants adapted to low light can grow in this region. It contains decaying plants and animal matter, which disappear quickly due to the warm, humid conditions.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video about the rainforest. This has been Miss Mundo.